Today's lesson will be the distributive property. In the word distributive, we hear the base word distribute, which simply means to pass out or to hand out. With the distributive property, you will see two operations at the same time, multiplication and addition, or multiplication and subtraction. So we will do some examples to see how this works. First of all, let's say, for instance, that everything inside of the parentheses is in the classroom. Let's pretend like the parentheses is the closed doors of the class, and the X and Y are the students inside the class. Let's pretend like A is your teacher, and he or she is going to simply pass out some papers or something to everyone in the class. So he or she will give A to X through multiplication, and she will also give A to Y through multiplication. Then we will simply multiply these and add to get what our final answer is. Well, let's throw in an example of some actual values just so we can get a feel for how this works. Let's say we will have 2 times 3 plus 5. 2 is your teacher. 3 and 5 are the students inside the classroom. Everything or everyone inside this classroom will get whatever is handed out. Anything on the outside will not. So let's see what will be my first term that I will get if A is given to X as 2 is given to 3. Through multiplication, we will have 2 times 3. So if 2 is also passed out to 5, what will be my next term? This is correct. 2 times 5. Okay, now, when I work this out, I simply get that 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5, 10. And we get what is our answer? 6 plus 10, correct, is 16. Let's do another example to show the other operation. Let's use subtraction, and let's keep a variable inside the classroom. So let's say our handout that we're going to get will be the 5. Inside the classroom, let's say we may have X and minus 4. Who can tell me what will be my first term after I distribute this 5 to the first student? 5x, that is correct. Remember, when I have this coefficient with the x, it's understood to be multiplication, so I do not have to put an operation symbol in between. Well, now what's going to happen for my next term? Correct, this operation remains the same, and the 5 is now going to be given to student number 4. That is also correct. Now I can work this out, and let's see what we get as our final answer. First term we have is 5x, and then 5 times 4, that is correct, 20. 5x minus 20. Here you have distributed the A, which here was a 2, here was a 5, to everything and everybody in the classroom. X and Y were the students here. Here we had the 3 and 5. Here we had the X and the minus 4. Whatever the operation is on the inside of the classroom is the operation that will be repeated in your final answer. So there you have your distributive property. You will distribute something on the outside of the parentheses through multiplication, using addition, or subtraction.